Would you like to make money by doing nothing? If you've answered yes, which I don't really see any reason to answer no to that, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 5 apps that you can get on your phone that will pay you to do pretty much nothing. So I'm very excited to, of course, share these with you. If this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new videos on a regular basis that will show you how to make money online, how to grow an online business, and how to work from home. So if you enjoy videos like that, definitely be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and this way you can be notified whenever there is a brand new video on this channel. And also, if you'd like to learn more about how to create more of a passive income, if you decide that you want to create more of a passive income where you could be working on your own terms, have a full-time income online, my #1 link down below will give you all the information on how to create more of a passive income online. Without further ado, let's get right into the top 5 apps you could use to make money to do pretty much nothing. All right, so just about all these apps that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video are available on both the Android store, the Google Play Store, as well as the Apple App Store. That is with the exception of this first one right here, which is called MyToes or MyToes or however you pronounce it. This one is exclusive for Android devices. So unfortunately, if you're an iPhone user, this one is not exactly available for you. But this one is very similar to, if you've heard of SlideJoy. It's kind of like, you get paid to have, ads displayed on your lock screen. And I was originally planning on including SlideJoy in this list, but then, I started looking into a lot of the recent reviews that it's been getting. I'm like, I think I'm gonna, look for a different one. So I found this one, and this one has been getting lots of good reviews as of late. So basically, how this app works is you, of course, get, you get, certain ads displayed on your screen. So you just install the app. You've got install the app and watch ads in your lock screen or within the app, earning points which will allow you to shop through a massive range of products and get huge discounts. So the benefit with this app is that you don't really have to do anything once you have it installed. You just, install it. You pretty much go on about your day, use your phone as usual. And then, anytime you unlock your phone, there will be like an ad that just, shows up on your lock screen right here. And then, you just have to swipe right or, click the X button to, of course, exit out, and you get paid these points every time an ad is displayed. Once you make enough points on this app, you could then redeem them for certain things on their store. So the downside with it is that they don't necessarily pay out through, like PayPal or, gift cards or anything like that. Instead, you use the points to buy stuff from their store right here. So that's kind of the downside with this app. So you are kind of restricted to whatever they have, but it is still a great way to make some good money just by, of course, just by having it to their, or actually, wait a minute. You can pay a part with MyToes point and the rest with cash through PayPal. How do I get this? Okay. So it doesn't, I don't know if that does pay through PayPal, but yeah, it says something through PayPal, but yeah, this one, you earn points, and then right here it shows shop for points right there. So in MyToes web shop, you can then shop for points, and then you pretty much redeem it for, things like, like what they have like right here. So it's like things that they have in their little shop right there, and you can, of course, redeem it for those things. So that's the first app of this list. Is called MyToes. Again, save, and then, and then you aren't really necessarily doing anything. But let's move on to the next one. And this one is called raise.com. This is a very cool one. So my question that I want to ask you is this. Have you ever gotten a gift card, whether it's for Christmas or your birthday, that you did not want? For example, maybe you've gotten a Starbucks gift card in the past and you absolutely despise Starbucks. You don't like Starbucks. You don't like the taste of their coffee. You think their coffee is just terrible, and you want to spend that money elsewhere. Well, Raise is a very cool app to check out for this, because you could actually get paid to sell your gift card online. So if you do not want to use your Starbucks gift card or whatever gift card you have lying around, you could actually list that on this platform. And oftentimes, you don't even have to ship the physical card out to, to Raise themselves. You could actually just put in your PIN code, or, the code on the back, and then you get paid, for that amount there. So you, of course, have to specify, okay, there's currently, $25 on this gift card, and they might give you, 20-ish or $21 back. Of course, you're not going to get the full price back, because this is a site to get discounted gift cards. So buyers come to this platform because they want to find gift cards at a discount. So that, for that reason, some of the money goes to, Raise themselves, and then also the buyer, they pay a bit less because it's a pre-owned gift card. So that's why, you of course aren't going to get the full amount, but it is still a great platform to, get some money without having to really do much work. You are just, getting rid of any old gift cards you have lying around and getting paid for those. So, I mean, this one has gotten lots of great reviews over the time that it's, of course, been up. Pay with gift cards and save every day. So 4,000 plus brands. So, just about almost every brand that you could think of is available on this platform. You could buy gift cards and you could also sell them through here. So it looks like, here we've got, a ton of great reviews. We got one negative review. This app is okay. So, I mean, there's always, going to be some negative reviews as well. But most of the reviews that this app is getting, as you can see here, it's mostly positive reviews. So this is a very great app to check out. And they pay out primarily through either PayPal or you can get paid via a check in the mail as well. So there is a very great, so those are great options there. So you could just get paid either through PayPal or through a check in the mail. I personally recommend getting paid through PayPal. But anyways, yeah, that's the second one on this list. Let's move on to app number 3. This is by far one of my favorite apps. It's called the Acorns app. Now, if you do not have this app on your phone right now, then you are definitely missing out. This app is definitely worth having because it pretty much allows you to invest money pretty much passively. So if you are completely brand new to investing and you want to get into, you want to start saving up for your future, have money to use down the road, this app is definitely something that I just cannot recommend it enough. And I even did like a review of it, I think like a few weeks ago, which I will try to include a link to that up here if you want to check that out for yourself. And if you decide that this is an app that you want to, of course, check out, I will also include a link down below where you can get access to a free bonus just for signing up through that link. So you get a $5 bonus, and I think it also gives me like a $5 bonus as well. So it helps both of us out. But essentially, this app just you just set it up, you link it to your card, and then it pretty much invests for you. Pretty much passively. So what you could do is you could say, okay, I want $5 to be invested into this account every single week. You could do $5 at the minimum. You can go $10, $15, or even like a custom amount, I believe. You could have that be automatically, invested into your account right here. And then also what it also does is right here, invest your spare change. So when you go to your local store and, let's say that you spend, $3.60 at Starbucks, right? So that's the price you pay. It rounds it up to the next dollar amount. So instead of paying $3.60, you pay $4, and that extra 40 cents then goes into your Acorns account. Now, this may not sound like a lot, up front, but over time, as you have this app, for many years down the road, the automatic, weekly, investments that you make, and also the roundups, if you're making purchases on a regular basis, this can definitely add up very quickly over time, and it's a great way to really save up money if you are completely brand new to this. So, let's say that you aren't, necessarily, sometimes you forget to, put money into savings, and you have that urge to just spend money right then and there. This is an app that I definitely recommend checking out. So Acorns is a very great app to use, and they've got a lot of positive reviews on, here, as you could, of course, see. So, 4.6 average rating. And yeah, I just cannot recommend this one enough. Next one is very similar to Acorns, except this one gives you cash back when you shop at your favorite merchant. So this app is called Dosh. So save money and get cash back when you shop. So pretty much all you have to do is just link it to your card, and you pretty much go on about your day. And when you use that card at, just about any, merchant, whether online or offline, you get cash back. So of course, depending on, the place that you spend money at, the cashback rate will of course depend on that. But like, they work with merchants like Wendy's, Uber, Old Navy, Gap, Grubhub, Home Depot, Walgreens, Forever 21, Sephora, and plenty of other ones. And, you could of course, get automatic cashback right there. Shop, get when you shop as usual. Yeah, so that pretty much goes over, what that's all about there. And then you could, save up there, and then, you could just use that just like regular cash. And then you could even like refer friends and then, get like an extra, like $5 bonus right there. So pretty great way to make some extra cash. And really this requires really no work on your end. So Dosh is the fourth one that I want to mention. And then the fifth one is called Limpo. Now, there's plenty of apps like this. There's Lifecoin, there's Sweatcoin, there's a whole bunch of apps that pay you pretty much to walk, but this is the highest rated one that I've personally found myself. So Limpo is an app that pretty much you install it and you get paid pretty much just to walk. So, it is encouraging people to, of course, exercise more, of course, when it comes to like walking and running, and they pay you in, what was it that they pay? They pay in, Limp coins, LYM coins, which hold real money value. And then you could also, exchange those coins for Amazon gift cards. So, this also pays out through Amazon, and then you could just, you just buy anything off of Amazon. So those are the top 5 apps that I, of course, wanted to go over in this video. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Which of these apps had you excited the most? Which ones are have you used personally? Which ones have you, of course, planning on trying out yourself? I'd really be interested to hear your thoughts down in the comments down below. But anyways, if you found this video helpful, be sure to also give it a thumbs up because it really does help the channel. And if you'd like to learn more about how to create more of a passive income online, if you want to create more of a full-time income online, because let's face it, these apps are great. They could definitely make you some extra money, but you're not going to necessarily become rich with these apps. It's not going to just, spit out thousands of dollars at you, overnight just by having these apps installed. These will pay you, bit of extra money on the side, a few extra dollars here. But if you're looking for a way to make more of a passive full-time income where you could be your own boss, you could work on your own terms, wherever you want, you could, create your own schedule. My number 1 link down below will give you access to my free training, and that will give you much more information on how to create more of a passive income online. Anyways, be sure to check out that free training down below, and hope you enjoyed this video, and take care.